Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie Mwende and I do a lot of cleaning, motivational and home decor videos. Today we are cleaning my entire house. I'll be covering the living room, dining, kitchen, master bedroom and the hallway.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
So just to warn you guys, today's video will be slightly longer than usual. There will be tons of cleaning motivation today, and as usual I'll be sharing with you guys some amazing plugs.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
So my house is not exactly dirty, just messy and maybe a little dusty in some areas, except for the kitchen, which is a different story. This video took me 2 days to film, but whenever I clean off camera, it takes me about 3 hours to cover the entire house.
Let's all take a Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a step.
I also got a new washing machine finally. I had missed having one around. I have so much that needs to get cleaned. Before I start cleaning, I want the first load of laundry to be running.
As we stand, let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
So first thing I'm doing is removing all my throw blankets and bed covers to wash. I am still familiarizing myself with the machine, hence I have to refer to the manual from time to time. So I will give you guys my review on it with time.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
While setting up the machine, we had to clear this entire area, so I need to clean it up and organize all my cleaning products in one place so that I can start cleaning. Otherwise I'll be disoriented if I have no idea where things are.
But gravity pulls you straight down.
The pipe you see on the side is connected to the main tank. It was hubby's idea to connect the machine from there as opposed to the sink. So with time I'll repaint the entire area and organize it better. While we're here, I want to say thank you to everyone who sent me videos on how you connected your machines in a rental house. They helped a lot. 3 white baskets you see I got from KR Retail. I am organizing my cleaning cloths, brushes and wipes in there. As usual, I will link everything in the description box, including all the cleaning products that I'll be using today.
this ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this.
So just to give you guys a quick brief, the machine is an LG 10.5 kg washer with wrinkle and allergy care, which is reduced to up to 99.9% by steam. It has a turbo wash, an AIDD which detects weight, softness of fabric, which helps in choosing the optimal motions for the fabrics by itself. You can also operate your laundry remotely with Wi-Fi connectivity. To the living room, there's not much to do here. I just need to organize the couch, dust, vacuum and mop, and I'll do the same thing to the dining room. Also make sure to stick around till the end of the video to see how the entire house looks after. I also added a few deco pieces that you'll all love. By the way, to dust all my deco pieces, I'm using a dry cleaning cloth, not a wet one. Also, if you missed the makeover videos for the kitchen, dining room and living room, I will link them all in the description box. next room is the kitchen. I'm clearing out the counter and putting clean dishes away. Then I do the dishes, clean my cooker and fridge, and I will be done here. To clean my cooker today, I'm using the Maxwell stainless steel cleaner because it's really stained a lot today than usual. The cleaner works magic on tough stains. Normal days I just use my vinegar mix. Also, to answer another frequently asked question, my cooker is an Ariston and we got it as a wedding gift from my mother-in-law, but you can find it in almost all leading supermarkets. To clean the outside part of my fridge, I'm also using the Maxwell stainless steel cleaner. The inside is cleaned and organized. I did that the day before because I had to store our monthly groceries. I'm also looking for a good coffee machine maker. Please let me know if you have one in mind. I am not a coffee drinker that much. I prefer tea, but my hubby is, so I need to get him one since I broke the jug for the last one. our room, I am folding and putting away clean laundry. I started with this because I needed to clear out the room to make space for cleaning and moving around. Laundry, both clean and dirty, had cluttered the entire space.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, dripping light.
My white set of bed sheets I got from Gold Cuddlies. I'm also changing my duvet cover. I got a new one from Smart Lady Homes. I needed at least 2 covers to be switching around.
Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
The brown bag on top of the drawers has my order from my Happy Flow. You guys need to check her out. She has amazing organic sanitary wares, Q-tips and cotton pads. I actually always restock before I am even out because her products sell out quickly sometimes. So I normally get 2 packs of everyday liners from her, day and night pads, tampons, q-tips and cotton pads, which are all organic. To my dressing table, I am disinfecting all my products and the table itself using disinfecting wipes and reorganizing it too. Also added more headbands from Glam by Ivy. She has new designs with elastic bands at the back. They also come in different designs at the front part too. Her pocket tissue stroke cotton handkerchiefs are made of a tougher material than your regular ones. They are like dried wet wipes, if you know what I mean. You can actually wet them and they won't come apart. The Q-tips are made of biodegradable materials. The handle in the middle is made of paper and not plastic. Next day, I picked up from where I left in the master bedroom. I am cleaning my mirror using a vinegar mix. For some reason, glass cleaners don't do a good job for this particular mirror and I don't know why. So I was supposed to put our old living room carpet here, but I still have no idea how we will lift this bed to put it. It's quite heavy, but hopefully I will get to doing it soon. It will actually match way better in here than the brown one we have now.
The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Next, we are moving to the master bathroom. I'm just picking all the cleaning products I will need in there. start by pouring toilet cleaner in the loo so that it can be soaking as I clean the shower area. I am removing the shower curtain because I will be changing it. Then I remove everything from the shower area so that I can clean the tiles and window.
From London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
When using the Astonish cleaner with bleach, just spray on the surface and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then scrub and rinse. It's so easy to use and very effective.
Heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
To this shelf, I have not cleaned it in a while. All the glass jars need to be dusted and restocked with things like sanitary towels, cotton pads, and I also need to restock the tissue basket. This is something I have to do every end month, by the way. this new set of shower curtains and bath mats, I got them as a gift from Jabali collection. So the last load of laundry I'm doing is all the cushion covers from my front porch. I am cleaning them with soap and disinfectant instead of bleach. I also clean that space and the guest bathrooms off camera. Lastly, I am using the Astonish White Flowers fabric freshener on my throw blankets and curtains. This is a new one for me and I love it because it gives the room such a lovely scent. So after my living room makeover video, Rembesha Essentials sent me a different colored serviette holder that matches my living room decor better. The gold coasters are from Wood Gone Wild, Kenya. They come as a set with a tray, which I will show you guys in a few.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight, dripping.
So this is the rest of the set. She customized them for me in the colors that I wanted. She can also make them in different shapes. I really love this set. It's so beautiful. I will link her details in the description box.
Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
I also received an interesting package from Join Organics. So these are CMOS. They come in dry and gel form. That's what's in the container on your left, the gel form. They have a ton of health benefits, especially when it comes to the thyroid gland. So I will list all the health benefits in the description box.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. I appreciate all of you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.